everyone, my name is Ruping, and today I'm excited to present to you a comprehensive loan application dashboard that I have developed for this module, computing project. This dashboard is designed to provide an actionable insights into the loan application process, focusing on the trends, approval rates, and areas of improvements. In this presentation, I will be walking through the data cleaning process used to prepare the data, the structures and features of the dashboard, and how the dashboard can be utilized for decision making. Before diving straight into the dashboard, let's talk about the foundation of everything, data cleaning. A dashboard is only as good as the quality of data. Okay, so for raw data overview, we started with raw data collection, mainly from Kaggle, which is a public repository. So this includes credit checks and bank statements from where they gather the data from. So the main issues that we'll face are usually on missing values, duplicate entries, and inconsistent formats. So the tool that I'm using to prepare for this data cleaning is Tableau Prep. Okay, so let me just walk you through the Tableau Prep builder itself. Alright. Okay, so in this Tableau Prep builder, you can see that there are a few steps involved from the raw data and the cleaning stage as well as the outputs itself. Okay, so some of the steps that were used over here. So for here, what I did is to change the types and group values together so that they are so that it will be easier on when we are developing the dashboard later. And so I also try to split the raw data into different fact tables. So as you can see for the loan fact, the irrelevant fields were removed, and then for the credit bureau fact table, likewise it has been removed, and we also rename some of the columns to make sure that it will be easier for me to develop to go back to when I'm working on the dashboard. And likewise, this is the loan grade table, which is quite straightforward. I have the ID, which is the primary key, tagged to the loan grade itself. And then this is the loan intent. So this will be quite useful when we are analyzing our dashboard later on. So likewise, there is a primary key and the intention of the loan itself. Alright, so this is where it gets a little more interesting. I have to make sure that the person income is in number form, so we can do data manipulation on this. And then there was some missing employment length, so which is how long the person is employed, because that is quite a important data when we look at our dashboard later on. So some of the steps that I did is to ensure that the now values become 0, and that everything here is in numerical. And okay, and here is just the loan status, whether it's approved or not. So approved are true and decline are false. So at individual status here, you can see that it's saving as a file into a CSV file in my local drive. So I cross-check reference on the clean data against the original files to make sure there's no crucial information lost. And finally, the calculated fields like the ratio income were added for deeper analysis. So with the data now clean and reliable, it can help me confidently build the dashboard that will provide even more accurate insights. So at this point, I would like to say that actually, um, there were efforts made to publish this online. So it's supposed to feed into new data, every real time data. Still there was some issues and it's still in the work. So this is the very basic dashboard right now using static data. So right now let's dive into the dashboard itself. I cannot. So the dashboard was developed on Tableau Desktop. So there are a few sections that over here. There's a few sections as you can see the dashboard is showing. So first of all is the application overview, the overview of loan application. So this tracks down the number of application approval rates and probably rejection reason. From here you can draw a conclusion why a typical loan is approved on decline. And then next there are interactive features where users can actually filter by loan status over here. So if I were to click here, as you can see the chart is interactive. I can filter whether it is approved or not and both. So first of all, as we can see, average age of people typically taking a loan in my data set is 27.5, and then the average loan amount is at 9.2k. So all these are in USD. And then we also have the median age of why people take loans. So we can analyze over here. Majority actually takes loan for home improvement, and as we go down the chart, there are lesser people taking education loan. But as you can see, it's also younger. The median age is actually getting younger. Likewise, for this chart, we can also see so the longer the person is employed, the higher the loan grade will be. And as well as the defaulting on card, so we also want to know whether if the bank was to give this loan to the customer, whether are they going to default on card, and this is graded by category and the loan grade itself. So as we can see, for mortgage, it's unlikely for a person who is on the loan grade of A. It's unlikely for them to default on file compared to someone who is probably in the lower tier of the loan grade itself. So finally, let's talk about the benefits of this project and the potential next steps. So one of the benefits is decision makers. It could be on the bank side or on a potential loan applicant side. They can have access to these insights, reducing the time spent on researching all sort of reasonings manually online. And the insights from this dashboard can directly improve loan approval workflows, and on the bank side, the customer satisfaction. So one of the next step is to expand the data set to include post-approval repayment performance, incorporate predictive analytics to forecast some of the probabilities based on the application data. By combining true data cleaning and interactive insight dashboard, this project can showcase the power of transforming raw data into actionable intelligence. Thank you for your time and attention. I love to hear thoughts or answers you might have about the dashboard or the data cleaning process. That's the end. Thank you.